I'm Scott, the guy behind Trekopolis, and I wanted to share with you why I love my Honda ADV 150 scooter. I'll give you a brief rundown of why I bought it and what I use it for. Feel free to ask me any questions about this little wonder machine. Now that winter is here, riding my scooter will be a challenge. As I shared in other videos, I'm not a fan of riding in cold weather. Yes, I can buy better riding gear, I understand. It's just different riding in winter versus summer. For some reason, the sun goes into hibernation around here. Now, I'm not a big fan of constant gray skies and leafless trees. Plus, it's dark outside by the end of the busy workday. The only time I'll be able to ride is on weekends. Unless, of course, I wanted to ride at night in cold weather. For me, that's not what I call enjoyable. And the enjoyment factor is why I bought my scooter. After owning the bike for 2 years, I've had plenty of months to ride it. To fully know how you like a motorcycle, you have to ride it. When I first bought it, I wasn't exactly sure how I'd like it. However, I did a lot of research before my purchase. I'm glad I did because I absolutely love it. Why do I love this scooter so much? I'll list the reasons based on what comes to mind in order. Ease of use. It's not complicated to start. I can twist and go and not hassle with shifting. I can hop on and off of it really easily. It's very lightweight, under 300 pounds. I can back it up or move it with ease while sitting on it. It doesn't take up a lot of space, and I can park it anywhere. I love the looks of this scooter. It resembles a motorcycle more than a scooter. Americans don't make fun of you while riding it. This scooter gets nearly 100 miles per gallon. This means it's easy on the wallet to put fuel in it. I can add accessories to it that are reasonably priced. Maintenance on this scooter for most things is very simple. Honda makes one of the best scooters on the market. I am confident it will last a long time with no issues. Brand reliability is very important to me. If I ever had to resell it, resale value is excellent. For me, it has been a great way to reduce stress. I can explore places I could not get to by driving a car. This scooter can reach speeds up to nearly 70 miles per hour. It's a very quiet ride, which I prefer. It doesn't wake the neighbors when I start it up. This means I can ride it anywhere, even on highways. Insurance costs are very reasonable. The learning curve to ride it didn't take long at all. I don't regret purchasing this bike at all. I probably forgot to mention some things, but that's okay. I use it mainly for the enjoyment factor. Next summer, I plan to take a few longer trips on it. Now, tell me why you love your Honda ADV 150 if you have one. You might have a reason that I didn't think of. Thanks for watching and enjoy the holidays.